Okay, so these are the 30-day radishes, and where's the ball? Give me the ball. Right here. And they're all ready to pick. It's 30 days exactly today. It's the 20th. So let's grab one of these. You can eat the tops too, and they taste like salad, lettuce. So there's one. Pretty darn good size. Couple inches across, I'd say. Yeah, you can pick some. Yeah, all of them in that one. Well, don't get the dirt right on top of the other leaves, then you gotta wash them off. Here. See that? These are 60-day ones, so they have another month yet to go. But their leaves are even bigger than the 30-day ones already.
Look at that one.
Holy cow! That's a long one. Huh. Alrighty. So that's it. Pretty good for 30 days. Cloth pot. It's a lot of lettuce tops. Well, radish tops. Show you how many radishes we got later after we clean them. 30-day radishes. Decent amount. Got a lot more radish tops though. Some of these need to be trimmed yet, but why don't you put a radish in here? There's another radish. But yeah, I think we're having salad tonight. So far I have